Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mo here with Chiropractic Care Center. We're here with Alyssa. Did I say it right? No, I didn't. I did say it right? Okay, good. She was in a car accident about a couple months back, and she's basically doing a lot better. She came in with lower back, neck, upper back pain, and now is doing better. So we're going to do one treatment, just kind of show you what we do with car accident case, kind of similar. We did the muscle stem every time she comes in. We did the heat already. We kind of did massage, broke up everything. These are towards the end, so you're doing good, right?
Yeah.
Compared to when you came in here.
Yeah.
Her whole family has been in this video, so she was like, I've got to do another video for her. So let's go face down, let's adjust her, and go from there. So yeah, so when she came in, her hip was way off. So now we've been, I mean, she is there. All right, girl. Let's have this side up for me, facing that way. There you go. She's like a pro now. First time she came in, she was scared to get adjusted, by the way. Now she's a pro. I remember you were crying. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Other side for me. She lifts a lot of kid all day too, so she's got little babies. Deep breath. All the way out. As you can tell by her scrub. Oh my God, girl. Face up for a minute. Are you ready? Your favorite part. Beautiful. Nice. Last part. So I'm gonna later I'm gonna do that one. The one you hug.
Oh,
there.
okay.
Yes. Deep breath. All the way. Oh my. Alright, go face down. Let me just check it. That was tight. Perfect. Beautiful. So yeah, so if you've been in a car accident, come in here. Even if you don't know if you need help or not, we can do a free consult and then kind of go from there. See you guys next time. Take care.